Round 28 of the Highland League at Seafield Park. Strathspey Thistle welcomed Nairn County. Very rainy first half that would turn into sunny during the second one. The first half not only brought a big amount of rain but also a big amount of goals. The visitors having the possession and approaching the locals' box, but the locals had a couple of actions as well. Here we will see the first goal in the 15th minute by Calum Mackay. The ball that is driven by Andrew McLeod, and with an empty goal, Calum Mackay introduces the ball into the net. It was 0-1 for Nairn County. During the minutes after the goal, there were more coming actions for the visitors, and in the 27th minute, Aaron Nicolson headed this corner ball into the net, making it 0-2 for Nairn County. Here we can see the repetition, how the ball goes through the whole defensive line, and Ethan Ray that can't do anything for that. After this moment, Strathspey Thistle had a couple of chances. But once again, in the 36th minute, Nairn County would score. This time, it was Andrew McLeod that took the pass from the goalkeeper, and after dribbling, Ethan Ray shot the ball into the net. After the third goal, the visitors continue to have possession. There's a ball by Harry Henham, and well, the locals were catching a ball now and then and trying to counter-attack to get some chances, but nothing else would happen in terms of goals. By half-time, 0-3. The second half starts and the sun comes out. Fantastic for the practice of football. The locals getting more possession this time, as they were pressuring more in the middle of the pitch. These are the first minutes, the first combinations by the visitors. At this action, the kick is going to go past Ethan Ray's goal. One for the locals. In this case, they claim for the penalty after this action, but the ref would not give absolutely anything. And this is another corner ball who did not get on target. Unlucky. It looked like the guidelines had changed, and it was the locals who were having more possession now and connecting more passes between the players, whereas the visitors were taking advantage of any error to counter-attack and try to score. During the first minutes of the second half, Strathspey Thistle did a couple of substitutions. Among others, Juan Manuel Cardona, Scott MacDonald and Leela Hay came into the pitch, which allowed the locals to have some fresh legs. Solid defence during the second half for Strathspey Thistle. I want to congratulate Ewan Neal for his amazing performance, among others. Also, Ethan Ray demonstrated that he has future in football, making a couple of good saves for the locals. And some controversy during this action. Ethan Ray gets kicked by a rival and remains on the floor for a couple of seconds. The referee did calm the situation down, but there were no cards shown. And this is another one for the locals. They had a couple of them in the second half, but none of them on target. This was going to condition the final result indeed. And just before the end, in the 86th minute, Alasdair Gillies, who catches his ball in front of the box and shoots it into net, without the possibility for Ethan Ray to do anything for it. Here we can see how he orientates a control and with the left foot puts the ball into net. The final minutes were more for the visitors. And well, this is a great action. I want to highlight this. See how Ethan Ray dribbles one of the visitor strikers. And at the end of the game, Strathspey Thistle 0, Nairn County 4. Many thanks to Clive, Rob and the rest of the Strathspey Thistle committee members who welcomed me yesterday. And nothing else by my side. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe, which helps me a lot to continue growing. Hope you enjoyed the rest of your day, and as per usual, see you next weekend.